Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Control and Coordination, and that we are studying topic Hormones of Adenohypophysis. Now adenohypophysis is a part of pituitary glands and it secretes various hormones. Let's study about them today. Pituitary gland or adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary secretes hormones like somatotropin or growth hormones. It also secretes thyroid stimulating hormone which is T3, T4 or triiodothyronine, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, and lastly luteinizing hormone. Prolactin, FSH are also the hormones that are secreted by it. Hormones of adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary. Now, adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary secretes various kinds of hormones, including somatotropin, or simply you said growth hormones that stimulate the growth, enhancement, increasing length of your body. Next one is TSH or thyroid stimulating hormones that's secreted by your thyroid gland. It includes T3, T4, triiodothyronine, tetraiodothyronine, and thyroxine hormones. Prolactin stimulates milk secretion in females, which helps especially during pregnancy. FSH, which is also called as follicle stimulating hormones, help in the development of ovarian follicles. And finally, your luteinizing hormone, which is very crucial and very responsible for growth of follicles. So students, in this part of the chapter, we came across hormones of adenohypophysis, and I hope you all are very clear about this concept. Thank you.